Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a website page that can only be accessed by link on Wix. For example, if you were to go onto my Wix website, there's no option to go onto the blog and there's no visible sign that I have a blog page. But I do. So if I were to copy this link and paste it into my browser, you can see that I'm on the same website and this is the blog page. This is good if you have multiple product landing page that you're running ads to or so on, and you want to run it to a particular ad, or you just overall want this option. To access this option, you're going to go into Wix. Once on your editor page, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on page right where you see home right there. If you don't have the page created as yet, you can tap on manage page. After selecting manage page, you could tap on add page and you could create the page. After you have created the page, let's say for example the page that I would like to hide is the about page. At the moment the about page is added in the navigation bar, as you can see right there. To hide the page, you're going to tap on the three dots in line with the page name. After you have done that, you're going to see the option hide from menu. You're going to tap right there so that will remove it from the menu. Then you're going to tap on the three dots once more. After you have done that, you're going to see the option settings. You're going to tap on settings. Once you have selected settings, from there you have a few options. For example sake, you could tap on access, and from here if you like to add a password to it, you can do that. So you could tap on password holders and you could put a password. But if it is a case that you would like to access it by link, as what the tutorial is about, all you need to do is simply copy the link, and once you have copied the link, since it has been hidden from menu, it will not be visible to anyone else. So you can simply copy the link, save it wherever you want, and then from there you'll tap on save, and now you'll be able to publish your website, and you can share that particular link with anyone, or you could put that link for example in an ad or so on, and persons will only be able to access it via that ad. That's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.